Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to clear cache on Ammo application. So let's get started. So if you want to clear cache on your Ammo application, then what you can do is just simply tap and open up your Ammo app, and after opening up your Ammo application, just tap on the profile icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. After tapping on your profile icon, now you just have to tap on settings, and inside your settings you will find this option which is storage and data. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that option in the top you can find manage storage. Just tap on manage storage, and after tapping on manage storage, here you can find your IMO cache. So what you can do is just simply tap on clear. So in the right side of your screen you can find this clear option. Just tap on it, and after tapping on clear, here you can see guys, your cache memory has been cleared. So this is the first way how you can clear your cache, and the second way is to just tap and hold on your AM application, then tap on app info. After tapping on app info, now you just have to tap on storage and cache, and here you can find clear cache option. Just tap on clear cache, and after tapping on clear cache, you have successfully cleared your cache on ammo. So that's it guys, this is how to clear cache on ammo application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.